You've seen the content. Everyone is showing off $1,000 days with AI, but no one breaks down what's actually working. So I tested out over 25 methods and I filtered out the hype for you. And I'm sharing the 5 most realistic ways to earn from home using AI, even if you're starting from scratch. And the last one is how I replaced my full-time income. I didn't have a product, an audience, or any technical skills when I started. I was just someone who didn't want to work for the next 30 years building somebody else's dream. Then I was lucky enough to find a system that taught me how to connect people with problems to digital solutions, and I got paid for it. And within 8 months, I was earning enough to walk away from my 9-to-5. And now with AI, it's honestly 10 times easier than when I started. So let's dive into the 5 methods that you can start today. AI makes it easy to sell digital products like planners, ebooks, and templates, even if you're starting from scratch. You can use ChatGPT to write the content, Canva to design it, and upload it to sites like Gumroad or Etsy. You're not creating from scratch, you're just organizing information people are already searching for. You can offer AI-powered services on sites like Fiverr or Upwork, even if you're a brand new. Things like writing product descriptions, summarizing blogs, generating content ideas, or designing logos using AI tools like Midjourney or ChatGPT. People are busy and will pay you to do the work. AI helps you finish faster. You just need to learn how to package it. You can turn AI-generated art into posters, t-shirts, or even digital downloads. Use tools like Midjourney or Leonardo.AI to create high-quality designs, then upload to sites like Redbubble, Printify, or Etsy. You don't need inventory, just let the platform fulfill the orders for you automatically. It's low cost and AI does most of the creative work. AI can now help you run a YouTube channel without ever showing your face. You can use ChatGPT to write the scripts, ElevenLabs for the voice, and tools like InVideo to turn it into a full video. Monetize with ads, affiliate links, or digital products. The last method is actually how I replaced my full-time income. And the best part about this method, I didn't have to create a product, build a fancy website, or hold any inventory. I just learned how to connect people with digital tools they already needed, and I got paid when they signed up. And this process is called freelance digital marketing, aka affiliate marketing. And with AI, getting started has never been easier. You promote digital solutions or tools like AI tools, business building platforms, online courses, PDFs, guides, or templates. When someone uses your link to sign up, you earn a commission up to $1,000 per sign, and some programs even pay you again if they renew. You don't need a big audience, just learn how to market short content like this and let AI help you with the rest. I actually break it all down step by step in a full YouTube video. It's linked below and it will also appear on the screen. Those are just 5 of the smartest ways people are starting to earn from home using AI. But if you actually want to build a real business that gives you more income, more freedom, and more control over your time, here's what I recommend. Start with the same training that taught me everything I know. It's beginner friendly, it's step by step, and it shows you exactly how to turn AI and affiliate marketing into a real income stream without creating your own products or having any experience. The link is below in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.